Welcome to our guide on the best PC cases for airflow in 2024. Keeping your build cool is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your components. Today, we'll explore 7 top-rated cases designed to enhance airflow and keep your system running efficiently. From sleek designs to advanced cooling solutions, these cases have something for every setup. Let's dive in and find the perfect case to keep your PC cool and performing at its best. Number 1. Aqua 3 Micro ATX Case RGB Fans, Tempered Glass, Type C, Black. The Aqua 3 Micro ATX case is a compact yet powerful option for those seeking efficient airflow and modern aesthetics. Its design features a sleek black exterior with a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase your build's internal components. The case is equipped with RGB fans, which not only enhance cooling, but also add a dynamic visual element to your setup. Quality is evident in the build of the Aqua 3, with its sturdy construction ensuring durability and long-term use. The RGB fans provide excellent airflow, helping to keep your components cool even under heavy loads. The inclusion of a Type C port on the front panel adds convenience, allowing for fast data transfer and charging. Usability is enhanced by the case's spacious interior, which supports various motherboard sizes and offers ample room for cable management. The design also includes multiple fan mounting options and support for additional cooling solutions. Overall, the Aqua 3 Micro ATX case is an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders looking for a stylish and efficient airflow solution.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. GAMDIAS White RGB ATX Case, Tempered Glass and RGB Fans. The GAMDIAS White RGB ATX case combines aesthetic appeal with effective cooling performance. Its striking white exterior and tempered glass panels give it a clean and modern look, making it a great choice for those who want to make a visual statement with their build. The case is equipped with RGB fans, which provide both cooling and customizable lighting effects. In terms of quality, the GAMDIAS case is built with durability in mind, featuring a robust construction that supports various components. The RGB fans are designed to deliver efficient airflow, ensuring that your system remains cool even during intensive gaming sessions. The tempered glass panels not only showcase your build, but also add a touch of elegance. The case offers practical features such as ample space, cable management, and support for multiple cooling configurations. It also includes easy-to-access front ports for convenience. With its blend of style and functionality, the GAMDIAS White RGB ATX case is a solid choice for those looking to enhance both the aesthetics and cooling performance of their PC build. Number 3. Corsair 5000D Airflow ATX Case, Tempered Glass, Black. The Corsair 5000D Airflow ATX case is designed for optimal cooling performance, making it an excellent choice for high-performance builds. Its design features a black exterior with a tempered glass side panel, providing a sleek and professional look while showcasing your components. The case includes a front panel with a mesh design, which enhances airflow and cooling efficiency. Quality is a key feature of the Corsair 5000D, with its robust build and high-grade materials ensuring durability and long-term use. The case is engineered to maximize airflow with ample space for installing multiple fans and radiators. The included fan mounts and cable management options make it easy to achieve a clean and efficient build. Usability is enhanced by the case's spacious interior, which supports various motherboard sizes and offers plenty of room for expansion. The easy-to-remove panels and tool-free drive installation simplify the building process. Overall, the Corsair 5000D Airflow ATX case is a top choice for those seeking a balance of style, functionality, and superior cooling performance. Number 4. LANCOOL 260 E-ATX Case, Airflow RGB, Mesh Panels, Black. The LANCOOL 260 E-ATX case stands out with its exceptional airflow and RGB lighting features. The design includes a sleek black exterior with mesh panels on the front and top, allowing for maximum air intake and exhaust. The case also features integrated RGB lighting, adding a vibrant and customizable visual element to your setup. In terms of quality, the LIAN C000-216 is built with premium materials and a sturdy frame, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. The case is designed to offer optimal cooling, with multiple fan and radiator mounting options to support various cooling configurations. The mesh panels help to keep temperatures in check by facilitating efficient airflow. Usability is enhanced by the case's spacious and organized interior, which supports E-ATX motherboards and provides ample room for cable management. The tool-free design for drive installation and removable filters make maintenance easy. The LANCOOL 216 E-ATX case is an excellent choice for those looking for a high-performance case with superior airflow and stylish RGB lighting. Number 5. Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB ATX case. Tempered glass, high airflow, black. The Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB ATX case is engineered for high airflow and stunning visual appeal. Its black exterior and tempered glass panels offer a sleek look, while the included RGB fans add vibrant lighting effects. The case features a front panel with a mesh design, which maximizes airflow and cooling efficiency. Quality is a highlight of the 4000X, with its durable construction and premium materials ensuring long-lasting performance. The case is designed to provide excellent cooling, with multiple fan and radiator mounting options available. The iCUE 4000X also includes cable management features and a spacious interior that supports various components and configurations. Usability is enhanced by the easy-to-remove panels and tool-free drive installation, simplifying the building process. The case also includes dust filters to keep your system clean and efficient. With its combination of high airflow performance and customizable RGB lighting, the Corsair iCUE 4000X RGB ATX case is a great choice for gamers and PC builders looking for both style and functionality. Number 6. Zalman T6 ATX Mid-Tower Mesh Design USB 3.0 Black. The Zalman T6 ATX Mid-Tower is designed to offer a balance of airflow and functionality at an affordable price. Its black exterior features a mesh design on the front panel, which facilitates efficient airflow and cooling for your components. The case also includes USB 3.0 ports on the front panel, providing convenient connectivity options. In terms of quality, the T6 is built with a sturdy frame and durable materials, ensuring long-term reliability. The mesh front panel helps to keep temperatures in check by allowing for optimal air intake. The case is designed to support various cooling configurations, with space for multiple fans and radiators. Usability is enhanced by the case's organized interior and cable management features, which help to keep your build neat and efficient. The easy-to-remove panels and tool-free drive installation simplify the building process. The Zalman T6 ATX Mid-Tower is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable case with effective airflow and practical features. Number 7. NZXT 9-Flow ATX Case. High airflow, tempered glass, black. The NZXT 9-Flow ATX case is designed with a focus on high airflow and modern aesthetics. Its black exterior and tempered glass side panel provide a sleek look, while the case features a mesh front panel and top for optimal air intake and exhaust. The H9 is designed to keep your components cool while offering a stylish and functional build. Quality is evident in the H9's construction, with high-grade materials and a durable frame ensuring long-lasting performance. The case supports various cooling solutions, including multiple fan and radiator mounts, to enhance airflow and cooling efficiency. The interior is spacious, providing ample room for components and cable management. Usability is enhanced by the case's easy-to-remove panels and tool-free drive installation, making the building process straightforward. The included dust filters help to keep your system clean and efficient. With its combination of high airflow performance and elegant design, the NZXT 9-Flow ATX case is an excellent choice for gamers and PC builders seeking both style and functionality. And that wraps up our look at the best PC cases for airflow in 2024. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect case to keep your build cool and performing at its best. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.